All right, what we're doing here is showing basically a function and how to create it using a backend workflow so that when you add the input, it automatically generates the output via a database trigger. So what we have here is an input box with the integer type. We have an add button that's going to add the integer that's being inputted into this box. We can have a backend workflow to automatically generate basically y equals 2x for each x input. And then we have a repeating group that's just going to show the x and the y to test that this has worked. So, well, let's preview first without any input, empty. Now if we of course we have to do it here. If we add 1, it adds the 1 and then it adds the 2x, which is 2. So how did we do this? The add button, this is kind of the obvious part. The add button adds, it creates a new item of type function. It's not creating a new function. The type is called function, so it's going to create that. If we go to the database functions, well, we'll see the data type. Functions have a domain number and a range number. Simple enough. Domain is the input, range is going to be the output. And I think that's about it. And then on the back end workflow, how I did this was that the type is a database trigger, and it's looking for the type function. And the way to change something upon creation of a new item is to use the x before change is empty and x now is not empty. So this will detect when a new item of type function is created, and what it does is changes the function, specifically the domain field, to add the function now input, meaning range, times 2. And that is basically it. Real simple. Just need to remember it. So let's just go back and test it some more. And actually we do the testing in the over here. 2. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, it works. It just takes a bit. 25. And so on.